So in this video we will see what is dictionary. So dictionary is ordered collection of key value pair, and what is key value I will explain you in some time. And there is ordered collection of data after Python version of 3.6. Before this it was unordered collection of data. What is ordered collection? Ordered collection means using any fixed convention to store the data or to arrange the data. An unordered collection, there is no such convention to arrange the data. So in ordered collection, there should be numbering to each element in iterable or anything or in data structure. So it will called orderable data structure. But like list, dictionary does not support indexing. Like we were accessing the element of a list using index, but in dictionary we cannot access the element using indexing using indexes. And in this, data is accessed by key, not index. So let's see how what is a dictionary. I will explain you. Like a object, like you, like me, my name is Rohit. Like I am Rohit. Rohit is equal to I am dictionary. Creating a dictionary, how do we can create a dictionary using curly braces. So key value pair is like this. My name is Rohit. My age is 26, and what else? Height is 5.10. So it is so what is dictionary? Dictionary is collection of key value pair. So what is key? Key is name and its value is this. So name is key, Rohit is value, age is key, uh, 26 is value, height is key, and 5.10 is its value. So dictionary is nothing but collection of key value pairs. So does it support indexing? So it is giving error because we didn't define names. So it will be like this. Name is age is its height is, because these are not variable, these are data itself. So its name will be Rohit, age will be Rohit 26, and height will be 5.6. These are not variable, these are data type itself. So so now executing this, so there is no error. So does it support indexing? Let's try that. We want this is the first element. We want this first element to be accessed. So I want to access Rohit 0. So it is key error because dictionary does not support indexing. So now how we can access then these elements? So we can access using this. We can access the data using key. So Rohit, if we want to access the name of Rohit, so this is it returning the name. Now if we want to access the age of Rohit, so it is returning 26. So so the main thing is, unlike list, dictionary does not support indexing, and in this value is accessed by key. So in next video we will see how we can create dictionary using different methods. So thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in next one.